Okay. Yeah, so today I'm back into a bit of coding. So I'm not doing electronics this week, probably not. But yeah, I also got to rearrange my electronic schedule, or my tech stream schedule. I'm actually thinking of switching over to tech streaming all the time. But that's going to make gaming hard, and I can probably only game on weekends or yeah, it's going to make gaming hard. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to start a new web application for Razor Pages. So I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, you don't actually. You can just web application, yeah, web app. Okay, we're gonna call this Stein site because this is pretty much going to be a site for my streaming profile, which links all my projects and stuff, goals, all those kind of things. This is also probably going to have some Twitch integration in the long run. Probably not going to start off with that in the beginning, but I'm definitely going to investigate it. But for now, okay, so I've got a dev directory already, which is normally C, development, repos. This is where I store my stuff. So this, I don't know if it should fall under one of these. I'm thinking put it under lead pawns because streaming gaming kind of goes hand in hand. So this is more lead pawns is my gaming stuff and Elite Digital is business. So I'd say this falls under gaming. Sorry, just give me a sec. Okay, so got my website. And then the directory was in here. So we're going to create a new folder. Wait, do I not have a folder by that name already? No, I do not. I don't think I wouldn't think I'd have one. It's going to add the project and solution to the same directory, which is fine. Sorry, I need to go into it and then copy this whole path. There we go. Solution name, project and solution, same directory is fine. Don't we have 9 yet? It's not LTS though, so we stick to LTS, which is 8. Not going to care about HTTPS, about authentication just yet, but HTTPS we want. Everything else is fine. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure we've got 2 extensions installed. If we don't, we're going to install them. But it's called... I need to remember the names. Web Compiler and Bundler and Minifier or some shit. And I do not have them, so I'm going to need to install them. First one is Web Compiler. Why do I not? Oh yeah, I reinstalled Windows. How do I know the progress now? Also, I'm going to fall. Oh wait, I was making coffee. I forgot about it completely. Let me go fetch my coffee quick. Okay, where is this thing's progress? I can't see the progress. Normally extensions also require a restart, which it didn't prompt for. So I don't know what it's doing now, to be honest. That's the one. Install that. I don't know what it's doing. It just says install, cancel, install, which implies it's installing but does nothing. So maybe it's already downloaded and I just need to restart Visual Studio. But like, how do you know that? There's no notification, no. I have no idea. Also, I initially wanted to start with electronics, but then I turned the oscilloscope on, so I might as well turn that off and also hide the cameras. So, hold on. Here's the phone camera, which, what did the mic just do? That was weird. But anyway, yeah, this pretty much is what I use for the desk. Let's close that up. Close that up. Okay, then that camera just shows that. Now, if we go into OBS, we select that one, we hide that one, wait, which one is that now? This one. We hide. Okay. That should be good, unless... Why's OBS that side anyway? Because I moved it over there instinctively. It's usually on that side of the window. Trying to think now, is it the best place for my camera to be? What if I open a code page? If I do console commands, you won't see it. So the best place, or you won't see the full thing. So the best place for this would be over there, I guess. And this one, oh, wrong one. Ah, stop doing that. There we go. Right above it, I'd say. Cool. Okay, so this is the default app architecture it gives us. One thing though, the assembly name it generates is usually based on the project name, but it should trim the space. Because with Linux, you don't want spaces in the names. It causes shit. So... and it adds an underscore. Okay, so we're going to remove that and just call it Stuyvesant site, like so. Just for simplicity's sake. Assembly name, make it the same, actually. I think that's all we need to change here. Then we can save it. Then in here, no, wait. Every something it's generated would now have a different namespace. Can actually delete privacy. We don't need that. View, wait. Which is the one we normally remove? I think it's this one. Validation scripts. Don't need that. I'm going to clean this up while I'm at it. Okay, so this we leave. Also, that name changed now. do that. So I'm thinking now, with my username, I'll obviously be able to get .com. And that's not expensive. That's like what, $100 a year, $150 a year. Who do I host with normally? OneGrid. Was it OneGrid? I'm pretty sure it's OneGrid. Well, not host, but I do my domain pointing with them. I think they had the best in terms of domain pointing, but I hosted on my own server. Let's log in over here. I'm just going to do these things off stream because it's a bit private. Get away, you insect. Okay. So we logged in. We've got our domains. Why do I have an unpaid invoice? What's going on here? I'll fix that later. Wait, let's just check it. It could be a domain renewal that fails. I don't know why this happens with OneGrid, but it fails for some reason. 12/02/2025. What? That's like... Okay, so that's in 12 days. So they issue it early, but they don't bill it until the due date is reached. That makes sense. Okay. So, domains. Wait, was it domains I wanted? Yes, I wanted to add a domain, but this isn't actually where you do it, is it? Oh, there, register new. Okay, so you can do it here. Let's give this a try. So... come on. .com is available $279 a month or $279 once off. How does this work? Do they charge you more? Oh, but this is .com. Fair enough. Okay, so .co.za, it's $100. Might as well get both to prevent sniping. But who? I'm pretty sure it was better to buy from GoDaddy and then transfer it to Web Africa. I can't remember. I can't remember how it works, but let's do this. Add that one to cart. And then we add the .co.za to cart. Ah, I forgot about the mic. I realized my certificate expired and I don't know why it expired. So I'm going to have to investigate that. But in the meantime, let's quickly go to my cart and try get those other domains. Wait. Oh, here. I was looking for the DNSs first, which is... Can I? No, wait, that just opens the site. How do I go to... my domains, maybe? It's the menu where I am already, damn. How do I edit it? There was a more advanced way. There you go. Okay, this is it. Change the name servers. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Is this right though? Because I'm using Cloud DNS and I'm probably going to have to register it on there first. Let's log into Cloud DNS quick. Got a few sites I have to jump through now. 2FA token, I don't have one, I think. Is not in the list of allowed. The mail will be sent to the owners. Okay. There's my coffee. Okay, so click link to allow. Allow. Permanent now. Our IP shifts. I'm going to allow for 24 hours. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, I'm not logged in. What the hell, man? It didn't log me in. And on my Bitwarden isn't auto completing. Why? There. Okay. Don't make me mad. Okay, so there's all our domains. What I wanted to see was the DNS, but I wonder if it's per domain now. Stats. No cloud domains. DNSSEC, what's that? How do I just... Oh, maybe I'll just click on the domain. Aha. pns41.clouddns.net. Which correlates to that. So, okay, I trust that both those results in. So we're going to use this as our first name server. Second name server. Third name server. Fourth name server. Continue. Okay, I don't have a promo code. I wish I did, but I'm going to have to pay full price, I guess. Let's quickly grab that because I want to get these domains up so long. And then I can fix my SSL and the server is sorted. Then we'd be able to deploy to the websites, no problem. But first... I've read and agree and complete order. I'm going to have to enter my bank details. Hopefully the browser gets it right. Oh, wait. It's an existing account, so they're just going to bill my... Oh, no. No, here's a payment. Never mind. Browser autocomplete works. Let's go to 2FA. Oh, why have I got a spike in my head? Like headache spiking into my head. What's this? It happened earlier today as well. What's happening to me? Okay, order completed. Now I should be getting my domains. It takes a while though, but now in the meantime, what I want to do is investigate why. Wait, why is my putty not? I did. I want to investigate why my SSL certificates are not renewing. So I'm going to log on to my server. Let's open Bitwarden. Send a code. Why? Why? So wait, is Bitwarden switching to 2FA now? Is that what they're saying? Oh, that's my bank from the purchase. Okay, so let's think. We need our login credentials for the Linux server. So we're going to copy that over there and then type the username. Okay, system restart required. Installed updates again. Damn it. Let's think, is it safe to show this shit on screen? I don't know. I mean, like I'm still kind of new to streaming and it's hard for me to decide what's safe to show on stream and whatnot. I don't want to show this on stream like I want to, but I'm afraid for sniping. I need to learn good habits now. Not that they threaten me now, but whatever. So anyway, we're going to go sudo-i to get super user mode. Then we are, let's think for a second. We're going to need, okay, the DNS record we do through Cloud DNS. The SSL thing, oh yes, that's, what's that called? Acme? That's, I assume that's in the bin folder. Yeah. What's the bin folder again? No. What's this thing? Oh, it's not there. .acme? No. I don't know if I should just execute the sh like that because it might not run it in the right folder unless it would. Hey, wait, what's happening? What's happening to my bitrate? What's oh man, come on, why it's doing this? It's since I installed the latest Radeon driver that my OBS seems to lag when there's no 3D rendering even happening on this computer. But my encoder seems to bug out. Like it gets all laggy and stuff and it affects the stream. It's so annoying, man. AMD must fix their shit. Let's refresh here, see if the bitrate's recovered. Nope. Twitch is saying my bitrate's shit. Sorry, Twitch, it's not really me. It's my stupid driver or something. It's something GPU related. Because it's the thing doing the hardware encoding. I don't know if I should switch to a software encoder. But then it puts all the load on my CPU, which I guess can handle, but still. I don't really want to do that. I'll give it a try sometime. Anyway, it's hot again. Let me go take off my jersey quick. Give me a sec. Much better already. Okay, so we have gotten the domains. We need to investigate SSL. Can't remember if Acme needed commands or what. I don't know. Let's execute it and see. Did need commands. Damn, man, I can't remember this shit. This was set up ages ago. It was working fine until recently, I guess. It's the last time it renewed. It said September. September 20th. That's the last time it renewed. Well, that's when it expired. Sorry, issued on September 2020. It expired on December, but it was issued in September. So, you could say after September sometime the SSL renewal broke. But I don't know what that is. Could it be Cloud DNS though? Because, so I saw a second command there. Where was it now? That one. or it's not a, it might not be a script. This is just like tokens you store from Cloud DNS, and then that Acme script actually uses it to authenticate your auto renewal. The thing is, how do you actually auto renew? I'm gonna have to Google because I haven't done this in eons. It's been a really long time since I set this up. So let's do this. Oh damn, Windows a bit big. Come on. Okay, so acme.sh cloud DNS. I think I need to look at this one. I'm pretty sure you just need this, and then in here he gives you examples for cloud DNS or whatever. Oh, yes, getting started. I think how to install. So I've already got the client. Install from Git. Issue a certificate. This is issuing, and then two. Let's think for a second. I'm pretty sure once I did this, I needed to set it up as a service, if I remember correctly. Yes, I did. And then that service restarts Nginx for you every time the certificates are renewed. So there, let's go. Standalone Nginx mode. This is what I need, what I used. I'm probably going to need to add that domain first to Cloud DNS. I think so. Let's give that a try quick. Oops, Cloud. Oh, it's just 1D. Cloud DNS. Come on, where's my freaking... Oh, here. Now we need a new one. How do we add that? Domains. Oh, create zone orange button. Damn, I'm an idiot sometimes. Yeah, we use the same 4 DNSs. Domain name is... Give me a sec. Okay, the domain name, I can just type it actually, you know it. Oh, you're back. Okay, so now I've got the domains created inside Cloud DNS. So if you go back to dashboard home, I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm assuming once that's done, we should be able to reference them using the Acme tool. Let's get the command ready so long. Wait, is this the right place where I am now? This is Acme, but hold on. Pretty sure I jumped pages or something. Tries to root, yada yada yada. Nginx as the second argument. And give it the domain. What is that last one? cp.example.com. Is that, oh, you do -d for every domain? Okay, that makes sense. So this is what I need to do, pretty much, this command. Except then I'm going I wonder if I needed wildcards. I think I need wildcards. I can't remember. I don't know if I needed a wildcard. You will need to configure your website, yada yada yada. Don't worry. What about, here's more examples. Let's see, maybe they show you if you can use wildcards. The example, let's just search for wildcard. No, no references to wildcard. Let's see references to star. Nothing. How's that possible? So it doesn't use wildcards, I'm assuming. So we're just going to have to run it as is. I'm just not sure if it's going to work now. Where is, what was I looking for again? Now, Cloud DNS, this. So that's still running. Let's just refresh the page. But no, it's still going. So I doubt if it was going to work, it would work now. Let's try it anyway. Is that oh wait, that's Nginx responding, not the website itself. I forgot about that. So I'm gonna have to edit my Nginx files first. So let's go. Oops. Nginx slash sites available, was it? I think. And then we need to copy those files, one of them. So we're gonna copy Elite Digital Summit to and then we're gonna just do this. Okay, and we need a .com. Let's actually do the .co.za. Let's do this. What? Oh. So this we're gonna need to just change, but there's some things we can completely get rid of, which was this one. So we're gonna remove all those lines. What's that one over there? We're gonna remove that as well. We don't need that. And then the current entries, we're gonna just replace the relative, oopsie, the relative domain names. So music's still going. I actually forgot about the music. Yeah. I was wondering why life turned so quiet all of a sudden. But my coffee's finished, so I'm just going to fetch some water. Okay. So still replacing the domain names. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy the domain name from because I'm lazy. What, I can copy it from here. You just highlight it if I remember correctly. And then we take the cursor and right click. There we go. That works. We're going to have to create some directories. I forgot about that. That's okay. So I think Nginx might shut itself if the files don't exist, but we're going to try it anyway. Wait. We're going to save it, but we're not going to restart yet. We need to change the port. Do we? Yes, if you've got a local app. So I think I'm currently using 6,000 and 5,000. Let's actually just quickly write the file and close it. And then we go look at our firewall. So we're going to go UFW status. Looking for 5,900. We're looking, oh no, wait. I wouldn't have forwarded 5,000. I would have forwarded 80 and 443. Nginx does that for us. So Nginx routes your internal port to your external port. So what I need to do is figure out which ports are used. So Elite Digital is using 5,000, 6,001, and 8,001. I don't think these have ports. I think they just redirect to the same thing. Yeah, you see, it's the same application. This is new. This one's new. Oh, okay, so hold on. I need to write this shit down so I don't get it messed up. Those are the ports I'm already using on my Nginx server. I wish I had an easier way to query this. So I'm sure there's a command you can run with some regex that pulls that information from the actual files and gives it to you, but I'm not going to do that now. So you're just going to write it down. It was 5,000. Oops. Typo. 5,000, 7,001, and 6,000, if I remember correctly. Yes. 6,001. So I had that one wrong. And 8,001. Okay, so it's 6,001 and 8,001. Those are all the ones I'm using so far. Nothing else at the end of the file. Okay, got all of those. What other sites do I have here? Okay, that's it. Okay, so those are the ports we're using. 5,000, 6,001, 7,001, 8,001. So now we're going to use 9,001. Right, back to which one was it now? This one. This one's going to be 9,001. Even though we don't currently have an application running on that port yet, we're going to have one eventually. So the website we're developing over here, this is going to be the app running on that port. Okay, so I replaced all the domain name references. No, I did not. There's some ones I forgot over there. Let's just select that again. I don't see any other name references to the old site. No, wait, I do. think I've got them all now. Okay, you're going to write the file and exit. So now we have our website set up. We need to restart Nginx. So we go service, Nginx, restart. Boom. Now the question is, how would this DNS know where to point it? I don't have an A record. Do I have to add explicit A records? I can't remember. The A. Yes, I do need an A with an IP address. So the ones that we added were NS only. The text record, what is that needed for? Outlook. This is for my Office 365 domain verification, if I remember correctly. I think I can remove this now. I don't think you need to keep this here. I'm going to leave it just in case. I don't know if Office 365 needs it permanently. There's another one. But that's MX. Okay, yes, so this one I need permanently. This one is for the MX. But I guess I got to add the A manually on the other ones. So let's go back to this one. Because they're all running on the same server. We're just going to add a new record. Where do we do that? What's these buttons? DNS records, wait. Execute, wait. How do I add one? There. Add new record. It's going to be A type. Nope. That. Leave empty, yes. That's all we need right now. And then we need the same for the .com. Oh, there's another add button. I always miss the add buttons. They're so big and I'm like, where is it? There we go. A records added. I should have actually done that earlier because now we're going to have to wait for the DNS to propagate. It might not even happen in time. This thing still says updating. But now we could actually test this via CMD because it's going to do a DNS lookup. These domains are also brand new registered. That tends to take longer, so I need to keep that in mind. But let's ping it just out of curiosity. Stevenstein.co.za. Whoopsie. Could not find host. Okay, so it doesn't resolve. That one responds. Wow, that DNS propagated quick. Okay, hold on. The .co.za should then as well. What's that command in CMD again? Flush DNS, was it? I can't remember that command. Something about flush DNS. I think it's just flush. No. ipconfig / yeah? Is it? No. Fuck, I can't remember the command. The flush DNS command. Let's Google it. I hate when this happens. I'm pretty sure it's ipconfig, isn't it? It is. Oh, fuck, I was right. I did when I'm right and I still end up Googling it. One do register DNS because I'm not elevated, I'm guessing. Doesn't say administrator, so I doubt it. DNS, nope. Cannot. Needs elevation. Still can't resolve it though. But that one resolves. Interesting. So the .com seems to propagate quicker than .co.za. That's very interesting. But now we don't have that in a .com yet for our Nginx. So we're going to need to do that as well. No, wait, we do this. We change this to a copy command, cp, and we're going to copy that file to itself, basically. We could just do this. Select that and right click. And then just change this to .com. Okay, once done. Why is it? Oh, it's done. I'm an idiot. Then we edit the file. Okay, so everything's going to be the same except .co.za becomes .com, like so. I can actually just copy the M because so that just an M. Oh no, I deselect it. Supposed to keep it selected. Idiot. How does this work normally though? Oh yes, it keeps a certificate for each domain. That's fine. Now we don't even need to copy the M. We can just press it to keep one key press anyway. I'm such an idiot sometimes. Let's just double check our work. No .0 is missed by the looks of it. Okay, this one next.com. Yeah, they're going to use the same application. So that's fine. Okay, then we save, double check, make sure we didn't miss any .0.za's. .com. Looks good. We can exit. Okay, we're going to restart Nginx again. So now we should have both our domains set up. But now I want to try another ping, see if the DNS might have propagated already. Nope. No. It's taking too long. Okay, but how far is Cloud DNS? Because I'm hoping that some of the stuff would work. Let's go back to the root of the dashboard. Which one was it now? Oh, they're done. That's why I'm not seeing the circles. Okay, so they're done now, which means most things should work. But I'm wondering, let's just check something quick. This wouldn't have auto-fixed itself now that I restarted Nginx, would it? No. I want to check something. If you disable a service, where does it store that shit again? I want to know which service is enabled. Which one is responsible for the renewal of the certificates? I'm pretty sure it's Acme. It's also called Acme or something. No, I don't see it. The only thing, if I go Acme, it auto-completes with acme.ssh. Ugh, acme.sh. Let's try running that command I tried earlier again, which was at acme something. This. See what this does. Can't find config for what? Did I need to make one for each domain? I don't think I had to do that. I don't remember having to do that, so that's kind of weird. I don't know why it's telling me this now. Cannot find conf file. Let's try this. Okay, so it complains about redirects. I forgot it redirects to the app. Okay, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. That's actually how it should behave. That's how I set it up to behave for most of my other websites. So that's fine. I'm just trying to think now, why would this say that? I can't remember having to add an additional config file with this thing. Maybe you should just read back on this, because this is where you do it. DNS API. Isn't this actually what I'm doing? I don't know what that is at export. Will restore your Nginx conf after the search is issued. Don't worry. But it's complaining about that conf. Pretty sure it's Nginx complaining about it. And I mean, if Nginx was giving us issues, it wouldn't have done a redirect. I would have gotten an error 504, I think it is, bad gateway. Yes, so I would have gotten a bad gateway error if it was Nginx. So it's not Nginx. Can't be Nginx because I mean I restarted it. Unless this isn't Nginx responding here. Well, yeah, let's add debug. Oh, actually, I don't want to debug the app. I just want to... Let's try debug. What does it do? It's just verbose. Okay, that's good. I was hoping it's not going to step through pieces of code line by line and like... Cannot find? Yeah, but where's the complaint coming from? Is real Nginx conf? No, don't scroll past that. What are you doing? Stop it now. Okay, where's that error? Try include C. There, it's showing my other domain stuff. I'm confused. Is it? It could be. Hey, so that's it. How's it going? I haven't seen you in a while. Oh yeah, you software dev, so you like this kind of stuff, right? I would think. But what's happening now is I'm trying to set up a domain in Nginx, and it's saying it can't find files. Now I'm wondering if it's not maybe. Hold on. So I've got a folder. Yeah, I need a domain here, I think. So there's certificates, and then... Oh, the parent one is websites. I need to check the certificates one. Take any random website. So it's only got a certificate and key. It doesn't have a config file, so that can't be the file it's complaining about. The only thing I can think of is Nginx, but Nginx... Did it need 2 config files? I don't remember that. It's sites available. So there's 2 sites available, and I don't think I ever touched sites enable, did I? No. Otherwise, it would have multiple files. It has to be sites available. There's no global config. It's config per domain unless it's inside default. Let's check out default. Aha! Here's our problem. Okay, this is where we screwed up. So we need to copy this. We're just going to copy this. Actually, let's bring the cursor down there. Then we copy. And then rename. Oh, we're going to have to do this for 2 domains. So, oops. Like that. What did you use to install your SSL? Can you go into your SSL config file, please? So I used a site, not a site. Let me show you quick. This. Acme SSH or Acme SH. So it's just a shell script that you download. It's got parameters where you give it the domain name, and if you're using like a DNS service, because you need a DNS service where this thing can make use of the API to publish DNS records, because every time it renews your certificate, it needs to publish a DNS record. So you use Cloud DNS for that, and then you combine this acme.ssh thing. Then you run a command, and it basically sets up a service for you on your server, which renews the certificate and then restarts your Nginx server. So that's pretty cool. But mine seems to have broken, because the last time my certificates were renewed was September last year. Or, yeah, pretty much September. So I need to figure out why it broke. So now I'm trying to fix it for these. But what I need to do first, we're just going to copy that and paste. And repeat the process. So come on. And then we replace .0 with .com. Oops. Like that. And then we're going to restart Nginx again. What? An error must... I fucked up, didn't I? No, I didn't. Let's double check. No, I couldn't have fucked up unless one of those two files don't exist, which was also a fuck up, technically. Opened them recently, so I can just press up. There. That is right. And the spelling is correct as well. .0 also correct. Unless one of the files have an error inside. That's also... Could it be because port 9001 isn't running? Oh yeah, can I go into my SSL config? Sorry, which file exactly? Because I've got... This is like individual Nginx configurations. And all you do is the program that you configure it with actually creates these files for you. And then you just tell Nginx to look for the certificates on that path. That's pretty much what you do. I don't know if this is what you're looking for. But I'm wondering if I shouldn't revert to port 5000 just for testing, because this is an app that's already running. So I'm thinking, where's my cursor? There. I'm thinking change this to 5. Oh, numlock doesn't work. Let's just paste. Do that for .0 and .com. Ah, it's still breaking. There's a default there. Let's comment out one of them. See if it's one of them breaking or both of them. Okay, so now Nginx works. Both of them break. So both of those entries are broken. But my question is why? So the 301 is a redirect. Why would it be broken? Do I need something additional for it? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's just the default landing site. But yeah, I'm wondering now, what did I fuck up? Why am I not getting it to work? What did I do wrong? I mean, the syntax, everything looks correct. No spelling errors, interestingly enough. But yeah, it's only when I add any one of my own websites where it breaks. Gotcha, stupid insect. It's only when I add my own websites, my new websites, that it breaks. The old ones still work fine, so I'm wondering why those ones break. Unless there's something stupid inside them that I'm missing. Let's just do this. And again, no typos, right? So we're good. So it listens on port 80 for those domains. I don't know if it is, maybe it's probably the files that I'm missing. I probably need to make those, but then my Acme can't run without a certificate. So I wonder, maybe I just need to exclude the certificate key, like comment out these lines so that it starts it without SSL. I don't know if the hashes are commenting these files. I wouldn't know. Maybe I've got one with a comment in. Doesn't look that way. I'm assuming it's hashes. I don't know. Let's give that a try. This is .com. Like that. Oh, wait. I forgot about that. Cert SSL conf. That could be part of the problem, that file there. I didn't see that. I'm going to save this for now. And then we wait. What was the one we edited previously in that same folder? No, wait, it was the same folder. Yeah, hold on. It was default and then nginx.config, wasn't it? No, it wasn't this folder. Where was it now? Oh, wait, no, it was in the root / www root / cert / SSL, that one. Boom. What's this? Oh shit, that's probably not something you want on stream, I would think. Yeah, this is a one-time config. You wouldn't need to do this again. I'm just wondering if I need to comment out that same, was it .com? If I needed to copy out that include. I don't have any websites that aren't running SSL, so I don't actually know. Hold on. This whole thing needs to be excluded because the moment we do... Where's port 80? So that's port 80. That's SSL. So again, this whole block needs to be commented out. No, but this doesn't make sense because how does it know to run this application? Normally it doesn't work that way, does it? So SSL redirects to SSL? That makes no sense. Normal HTTP should redirect. Yeah, it does. It returns a 301. This one also returns a 301. But why? I'm confused now. How's this shit set up? Why would your 443 have to redirect? That's what I don't get. Oh, that's wildcard only, which means all subdomains are redirected to www. The bottom handler is the one for both www and non-www. So this is actually the main one, but this one's also going to shit itself because it handles SSL, you see? So you should duplicate the bottom one for port 80, basically. We should allow port 80. No, but I want SSL. Shit, man. Last resort. Okay, so what I'm going to try, because I don't know if it's going to work if I just comment it out. So what I'm going to try is change this to a certificate we know exists. So we're going to use this domain. Elite Digit. toll.co.za. Boom, like that. We're going to select it so that we can copy it, and then every instance of that we replace. Like so. Except there. And then this one, lastly, I think. And this is another. I don't see another. Did I just paste it twice? I just pasted it twice. I did indeed. There we go. Okay. That's .com done. And then restart Nginx. Let's first look at that config file again. I think it was the default. Oh, it backed it up. Why did it back up? So we want just .com. And then we restart Nginx service, Nginx restart. Damn it. Okay, so it restarted without crashing. That's a good sign. That's .com. Okay, but now let's try to run the Acme thing. It's going to be up a lot of commands. Going to travel very far for this. There. It was there. With debug somewhere, just to be safe. Let's see what it does. Seems to be running so far, which is good. I think we can confirm something is happening by looking at the Cloud DNS. Don't we have it open here? Yeah, we do. So if you go to the dashboard. Unless the Acme thing removes the... I think it removes the record after creating it. I don't know if this is the part where it actually publishes that record. It's understandable it might not work and might take long, but if this isn't that part and it fails, then it might be the reason of our previous failures, and we just need to investigate why this is happening. Unless it's my Let's Encrypt config that's wrong. Where did I get that from even? Damn, I can't remember. I can't remember if it was handled by Cloud DNS or whether I had to do it. That's the other thing. I'm pretty sure it's going to fail. I don't think this is the part where it verifies the existence of the domain header or the domain record. It could be, but I think the problem lies with 0SSL. Let's actually Google this. If we scroll, it should stop auto scroll. No, it doesn't. Damn it. I'll copy that text. There we go. Is this why? Is it because 0SSL is timing out? How recent is this? Wait. 2021, that's very old. Mine was working back then, so... Okay, but this is not the right people, unless they are the same organization. Inside in. Okay, so yes, this guy's explicitly saying we are not 0SSL. Okay, so... Do we have anything recent? When September. Oh wait, I did open that, I think. Okay, but he's on Let's Encrypt again. They're going to tell him to fuck off, aren't they? Yep. I wonder why people are coming here in the first place. Where's Zero SSL? Don't they have a public forum? This is a problem. Well, now we're going to fix this, so. Unless it's a problem on my side. Wait, what did it finish? It couldn't have finished, did it? It showed times. No, well, there's an error. Timeout, yeah, timed out. Oh, it timed out only for that domain. Maybe it's just because this domain isn't up yet. I wonder. The CA, the Certificate Authority. So yes, that is Zero SSL. Ah, did I type it like my ass? Zero. What am I doing? Zero SSL. So what I want to check is if they have like a domain test tool, like a DNS test. Is this just a paid services they're offering, or can I do like a quick test? Wait, this. Create free. This is for creation. I want to test it. But in theory, we can test it through their interface, because if it tells me this domain is not found, we know that's why. Check with your cookie thing. Okay. So I don't think I have to log in, but maybe that thing is just bamboozling you, makes you think it works, and then once you log in, it's like, it can't work. But the thing is, I'm not going to create an account now, because I don't think I've got a Zero SSL account. But I think that's the problem. It's like that thing won't work. So it didn't work for Stevenstein either, because there's no for .zero either, because there's no config file. So we've got to fix its config file as well by, let's just do this, .co.za, fixing the certificate name, just these. Last one, and then we should be done. Okay, so that one should be fixed. So now we edit the default again. I think it was default. And then we include that. Then we restart Nginx. Okay, no errors, which means both our domains are working in Nginx now. I want to retry this. Still can't find it. Even if you go here, Google Chrome is probably going to rely on your local DNS to tell you that it failed. So that one gives me the error because of the redirect. Understandable. Ah. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that's just your local DNS telling Google to get fucked. Telling Chrome to go away. But yeah, the thing is, either way, if I issue that command again for both domains, it's going to fail. But what I want to do, though, is issue it for one of my existing domains that have been set up before, because then we'll be able to see if the problem it's just like the service not working or whether something else is wrong. So we're going to do elitedigital.co.za first. See what it does. Hopefully it works. See, it's that same step where it now seems to be getting stuck. So the problem isn't necessarily any of my certificates or anything. It's 0 SSL. Now, I wonder what changed. Maybe something changed and the guys who issued the Acme client issued an update, but I don't have that update. So now it's not working correctly. I think that might be the case. I might need to update my Acme. So let's go back to their GitHub. Now installation, I'm pretty sure you just downloaded it again or something and then give it execution rights. Okay, so it just does that. It fetches it. What's that for? Installer will perform 3 actions. Wait. Clone this project and launch installation. Oh, so then you execute it. Wait, but then there is a SH file in the root. I don't see it here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's what you're looking for. So install from Git, yada yada. Okay, but fair enough. Now the other thing is, how do you add it as a service? Is this it? You need. Do you need to manually add cron entries? Hold on. Could it have been me that broke it? I edited my cron file. I don't remember seeing any entries there for any other services like this one here. So now I'm wondering, when I edited the file, maybe it told it, okay, no longer use this source, use another source, or exclude this source from your cron entries. I don't know if that's what did it, but now, once you've moved it, create an alias. Wait, but the installer does this. So you just tell it to install. What's the... I don't think I need an email, do I? I'm just going to run it with the install without the email command. See what it does. First, we want the new SH, come to think of it. Where did I originally install this to? Where would I have installed it to? Oh wait, I'm already in root. What was that thing called? Acme, right? I don't see it here. So it's not in the root. It's not in the root home folder. Where would I have put it? Wouldn't be in wroot, would it? No. How do you check in Linux an alias's origin? Let's check that out. Won't be that hard to check aliases. Aha, root.acme.sh. That's why I wasn't seeing it. So Alice doesn't show it, but Alice-A shows it. Apparently. Wait, where is it? I don't see it. Am I that blind? Dot. Oh, there. Dot. Yeah, I'm that blind. But it's just an SH. That's all there is. There's no directory for it. Oh man, there is. The folder is called .acme.sh. Oh. Like that. There's our sh file in there. So this, we want to update what's in this directory with the new release. I don't know if that is the problem, but we want to do it anyway. When was the last release? November 2024, so that makes sense. But that's just the source code. Dum 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 dum. Where's the clone part again? So I'm just going to download it in this directory. Am I in that? I'm not in that directory. What? Wait, did it just... Do I need to put this email address thing here? sh minus s. I think I might need that. sh. Still see the same files. So if anything was created in this folder, it wouldn't have changed it, but what's the date command again? Like this. Now it shows us when last the files were updated. Today. As opposed to this having been updated 2023 last. So that makes sense. Okay. Now the Acme thing would be updated, but we might want to rerun the install command, I'm thinking. Hopefully it won't break anything. Okay, they tell you to clone it and then you run this. Because it's an alias, we can just run from there. Cannot copy. Eh? What do you mean cannot copy? Did the alias break? It can't be that, can it? Equals root.acme.sh.acme.sh. Unless it's the execution permissions, because it got rewritten. Hold on. What's chmod? I think it's 775. So we're gonna go chmod dot slash no dot slash dot acme. Is that wrong? Pretty sure it's chmod 775 the file. Where is that file? Acme.sh. It does have execution now, but I don't know if that was a problem. So let's just run that again. Cannot copy acme.sh. Cannot stat. No such file or directory. Unless I need to be in that directory. That could be possible. What? No, it can't do this. Why is that? Installing, oh, there it shows. Because it's already in this directory. So I need to clone it to a different folder. That makes sense. Or is it, could it be because it's already running? I don't know. This is kind of an interesting problem to me. So let's think for a second. If it's probably trying to copy the source and destination as the same thing. So I'm thinking I must have cloned this somewhere else when I did it previously. I probably didn't do it in this folder. It's just where the alias was created. So wherever I cloned it, let's just create a new folder. Like this. So we're going to go. Now we're in /root. So now I'm going to do this. Okay. So now we've got that. What? Oh, it's a folder again. So now Acme, and then can we execute the sh? It does have execution. Wait. Read write x, read x, read x. Yes, so it has execution on all roles. So then install this said. Let's see what it does from this directory. Haha, different behavior. Changing. Is that the response we're expecting? It looks right. Now it created the conrob. Hold on. -e. There you go. So I think that was a problem. I fucked up the cron job, and that's why my certificates weren't renewed. But the thing is, though, when I opened this thing, that entry did not exist. I would not have deleted it or overwritten it. So I wonder why I did that. Interesting. Anyway, so that seems to be fixed now. But it doesn't necessarily mean it'll work, unless it was just the update that was necessary. How do we test this? We run the command again. acme.sh. Let's just press up, actually. Camera shaking, probably. I never realized that, but when I hit my table, let's see how bad it looks in OBS. If I hit the up key, the camera shakes. It doesn't look that bad. Also, I'm not centered, am I? Camera is not centered. Not perfectly, at least, but that's fine. Okay, so we still want it. Oops. To what do I want to do? Run that command for the Acme thing. This. So first, I want to run it on one of my existing domains again. See if it works now. Because if it does, then it was probably just an API issue. Please work. Please work. Processing my order. Please wait. Something happened, but I'm getting an error. Or is that a warning? I don't know. I don't know if it's done. I would assume this because of an error. See, 200 is normally a successful code in web tech, but now on issue error. Okay, let's add the debug flag actually. No, it had it. It had it. So, but it doesn't give us an error or anything, does it? Maybe it's done. Hold on. We're gonna check the timestamp on wroot, certificates, edit digital on this whole folder. No, wait, sorry. Alice, what's the timestamp one again? Minus full time. I think full time. Still old. Wait, but where's the... Yeah, they're still old. So no, it wasn't fixed. I wonder why that is. Try it with a different domain just out of curiosity. Still trying to process the order. Still trying to process the order. Why is it taking so long now? Still trying to process order. That's not good. Maybe they IP blocked me or some shit because of all my requests. I don't know. I think that wouldn't make sense because normally if the cron job runs to renew, it renews like 6 domains at a time. So I can't think why it would give me shit. It's not working, it's broken. Yeah, this doesn't seem to be working. Oh wait, there's an error again. I assume it would still break, but let's double check it. Ah, it's still broken. So nope, the certificate did not renew, but why aren't they renewing? That's what I'm wondering. I wonder if there isn't some config, because I had to create like security files or something for some of the shit to work when I initially set this thing up. So I don't know if it's a step that I skipped here. We install it. And you can issue a certificate. Okay, wait, this is just how to install. Here's how to issue a cert. So I don't know if I need this. That's the thing. Maybe I do need my email address. I wonder, wait. Because looking at this, I remember having to add an email address in the, I think it was this. I can't remember if it was this. Yeah, no, not Cloudflare. Mine wasn't Cloudflare. Mine's Cloud DNS. I can't remember, but there was something else I did to store some credentials in, like a file. I think it's the Cloud DNS config file. Hold on. This is also the how to install. This is everything in one. But at the top here, they show what it supports, right? So 0, not 0, man. What am I looking for? Cloud DNS. Only one reference to cloud. Let's do this. This is on their website. I think this is that same article that was open in the front there. So might as well move it back. Okay, so you get the Acme thing. Then you do this. Or set them up into the file. That's the one I'm using. I'm just going to take this off stream quick because I want to verify that file's credentials. Question is, where is it stored again? I think it was in my... Wait, it was in this folder, if I remember correctly. There it is. So let's go nano cloud DNS auth. Yeah, there's our credentials. So this is what I don't know if it's still correct. But where do I get this? Log into your control panel and create new HTTP API user from the API page. Okay, so this I'm also going to take off stream quick because it shows credentials and shit. Services, where would this buy? API and resellers, maybe. There's my application. One of, yeah, it does have that. How do I get the password though? There. Change password. It allows me to change it, but not. I don't know if that is the problem though. I doubt it. I think that would still be correct. I'm going to leave it for now. I'm not going to change it, but there is an allowed IP address thing. I wonder if that wouldn't be blocking us. I doubt it. Okay, let's bring this back here. Okay, so you set it up in the file, then you do this. Just that. Oh, but you see, that's what I don't have. The DNS, cloud DNS, that's what I'm missing. That could be the problem. Issue for Nginx. So -- issue -- Nginx, and then you give it the domains. Okay, so then I'm going to add my DNS flag over here. So -DNS, is it that? Yeah, -- DNS actually. DNS space DNS underscore cloud DNS underscore cloud NS. I don't know if that'll fix it. Let's try that. Maybe that's a solution to our problem. Maybe, maybe not. CA is processing your order. Error already. Is it the same as before though? Skipping DNS on issue error. What is the error? How the hell do we know? Value, oh, there's something. That is too large. So the Nginx flag, but it said something about Apache does not exist. There's stuff about Nginx, so I don't think it's looking for Apache. Where did I see that Apache thing? I don't know. What was the other flag? Log. Let's just try without the debug flag. Maybe it gives us a better error description. I don't know. Hopefully. Same error. Wait, what's it saying there? Restoring from Backup, yada 2. So wait, does it actually modify those files? I don't know why it's breaking. Maybe I shouldn't have the Nginx. No, but how else would it know? This is all they give us here. I don't think it's the Nginx flag, but I'm going to try it without it. My guess is it's going to tell me you don't have Apache, but I could be wrong. Let's see. It's interesting because it's already at the part where it's publishing a DNS record, which means if we go look at Cloud DNS, go to the dashboard, actually open a new tab. Oops. New tab. So we go to this one, which is what I'm working with now. We should see our record there. There it is. That's it. See, so this is what this thing does. It auto-publishes your DNS records. And even though we can see it, it's not registering yet on global DNS. So just got to give it a bit. That's why this thing is designed to try again and again, because this is the kind of process that doesn't happen immediately. It takes a while to propagate globally. So let's give it a minute. But yeah, I'm wondering why it didn't work with the what's the name flag. I also don't know if it's going to work here though. Ah, there it goes. So it's got that check done. So now it's waiting for the CA to process our order, which is why I think it failed previously. Unless a failure, success. Success. But yeah, now I think it just generates a file rather than copying it over to your Nginx and restarting everything. That's my guess. But processing. But yeah, so the other thing is, how the hell do I know which folder it copied it to? Because I don't mind manually copying the files over for now, but ideally, is that it? I don't know if that should be on stream. Come here. So it shows me the folders where they are. I'm just going to have to move them. But I still want to automate this process with Nginx. Let's try it with Elite Digital quick. Let's see what happens here. Still error. What the hell is the error? That's what I want to know. It's like, even if you add debug, it doesn't tell you anything. I wanted to freaking code, and now I'm struggling to get my SSL renewal to work. Is the error again? I'm guessing that would be the error, but it doesn't tell you much. So it's restoring nginxconf to that. I don't know if it's this. Yeah, nothing before that looks like an error. It's only this. This is the first mention of ERR, which is usually error. So it doesn't tell us much. I wonder why it's... I don't know if the issue is... I can manually issue it, but the problem... well, yeah, the manual issuing works. So the issue must be its integration into Nginx. What is the issue flag? Maybe I don't need the issue flag. But they had it in their example as well. Yeah, they did. Nginx. How old is this? That's old. Well, not that old, but my issue happened after this date, so it can't be related. No, I don't think this is at all related. Hmm? This is not using the Acme client. I want to use the Acme client. None of this is Acme client related. I don't want to do it manually. One year ago. So it can't be this either. Let's check out this tutorial. Okay, so this is his Nginx config. I don't see any SSL. Is it Nginx though? Hold on. This is reverse proxy, which is normally Nginx. But this looks like it's just a config file for the installation of it. This is like a Nginx with a web interface or some shit. I don't use that though, but it looks pretty cool. I want to make note of this. What is this thing called? Jellyfin. So Home Assistant I do know. Nextcloud I've heard of, but Jellyfin, I think that's Jellyfin that is running over here. Can I enlarge this? Ooh, let's see. Nginx Proxy Manager. No, so that's not Jellyfin by the looks of it. Nginx Proxy Manager. But this must be part of the Docker image then, because I don't have that. Duck DNS. They're using Duck DNS. I don't think the DNS is a problem though, so we can probably skip over that part. Okay, so we don't care about proxy entry. What? Is this the end of it? This doesn't mention Acme anywhere. Wait, what was the title of this? Easy, quick, valid SSL certificates for your home lab using Duck DNS. And Acme DNS 01. What? There's no mention of Acme on this document. It's literally only in the title. What the fucking clickbait shit. I hate fucking clickbait. I don't know if this is going to help us because it's our documentation again. Is it an Nginx issue? It can't be this. I don't need to have explicit well-known entries added for my Acme stuff. Do I? I don't remember ever having to install that stuff, to set that stuff up. Nope. I got no special files here for that. Interesting. I wonder if it'll help if we switch to a different provider. Otherwise, for now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to manually copy those things. So let's go up again and check where it copied those things to. Here. So I'm going to just take note of that. Sir and key. Wait, there's multiple. Let's do this. Oh, I actually just need a folder. They're all in the... I assume they're all in the same folder. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we just need the folder. But now, one other thing I'm unsure of, because the file extensions are different. So we want to run this again, but then the one we did was that. So that got, no, wait, this is actually right. I'm in the wrong folder, that's why. What's that? LDAP I don't use anymore. Yeah, so they just got a CR and key file. Okay, so that's good. So we're going to copy only of those two. So we're going to do the CP that CER. So you're going to copy that one too. W root certs edit digit. Come on. Wait. No. No, we need to copy the full chain. Yes. And then we do the same for the key. Wait, what's this one called? Domain name dot key. What did I just hear? Oh, I've still got a stream open. That's why. That freaked me out for a second. Okay, so now we need to copy the key file dot key to wroot certs. That one, and oh yes, domain name dot key. There we go. So that should fix that. So service nginx restart. That's just for one, but it's not going to work, is it? Because that domain is just going to redirect back to another domain, I think. Unless, hold on, I've got a subdomain for it, Citadel. Still complains about the certificate. Yet it's issued today. Wait, what? Wait, what? 2 a.m. Bro, it's 2 hours from 2 a.m. My time is wrong. Why is my server time wrong? Oh, man. Wait, what's the time command again? No, that's just the uptime. What's the time command? Damn it, I gotta copy that again. Normally when you log in it shows the time. Wait, but there's a time. How did it have it right there? South African Central Time or South African something time? Standard time, probably. But there it was right, because those commands were run about 10 minutes ago. It makes sense. Maybe it's not me having that problem. What if it's the certificate authority that added 2 hours? Fucking hell. How do I fix this? How do I fix this? My freaking certificate is too new. Cannot change the certificate issue time. Every 60 days, yada yada yada. Oh, there's an upgrade command? I don't know that. But I already downloaded the GitHub variant, so I'm just going to try this anyway. Maybe it does get a newer variant. Wait, what? Did it copy the wrong thing now? There. Already up to date. Okay, so the one I downloaded from GitHub was up to date. That cert home command that I just saw looked very familiar. That could be my problem though. I don't think that's my problem. It makes sense if it's possibly trying to write those certificates into the current directory and doesn't have write access, but I'm running as root, which means fuck write access. It can't be that. Shows renewed and gets skipped. So this sounds like it's a local time issue. Show me the whatever file. Force. No, it can't be the force. Or do you have to trigger renew? I don't know. I don't think it's that. But damn it, how does it issue a freaking certificate 2 hours into the future? Why would it do that? Okay, well, at least we know in 2 hours the certificate's going to work. But now, I still need to fix this for all my individual certificates. Which one did I do? I skipped the Nginx flag, and then I just put the domain name. That's all I did, if I remember correctly. Just skip the Nginx flag, and then run it. Now it'll do domain by domain. Where do I put that Twitch window now? Here? No. I lost chat. Here. Okay, so there's our Acme record. So this is working. I'm just got to wait for this thing to actually see that record. Okay, it's done. So now it's just writing the files and then we get our path. Which will probably be very similar to this, just with a domain name different. My assumption. There we go. Yeah, name's exactly the same. Okay, so then we need to copy them over. And just do this again. Haha. And change the domain name. Okay, copying that key to that key, that's it. And then we do the same for the ser file, CER, this one. Okay, so those are copied. Actually, the Nginx restart shouldn't be too far up there. Okay, certificate fixed. How come this one isn't 2 hours into the future? What the fuck? It is 2 hours into... What? It's issued at... Oh, but issued at and... There's actually multiple dates. You need to look at the details, I think. We might be looking at the wrong date. But it's strange that the other one... No, this is what you look at, not before. Which is today. At 2 a... Wait, no, I'm wrong. Wait. It's today at 2 a.m., not tomorrow at 2 a.m. So technically it is valid. Okay. Then I was reading it wrong. Let's look at the other one again. Maybe Chrome was just full of shit. Wait. That was Citadel. Citadel. I don't know if the problem could be wildcards because I issued it for the root domain and not the wildcards, but no, that wouldn't make sense. Issued on, yes, and not before. Same date as the other one, so I don't think it's a date that's the expiry problem. I think it might be it doesn't allow wildcards, so you can also check that in here somewhere. It's not this one, is it? I think it's the subject. No. One of these shows you all the domain names that it's valid for, or shows you if it's usable on wildcards. I just can't remember which one. Hold on, this is my antivirus, this SSL thing. I thought I turned this shit off. I'm looking at the wrong fucking certificate. God damn it, you stupid antivirus. I thought I disabled this shit long ago. Protection, network protection. No, wait, that's internet protection, not network protection. There, SSL TLS. Get rid of that shit. Maybe I need to restart Chrome. I don't know if that's the case. Oh, there's the F5 button not doing anything. Do I have to hit reload or proceed? What is the issue? Certificate common name invalid. Let's just take this one. Make sure it doesn't show ESET. No, it shows 0 SSL. Which means on this one... Won't let me continue now. Interesting. But there it also shows 0 SSL. Now let's go look at the not before, which is the same date, which means ESET was only overriding some of the details, but not all of it. But now let's see if we can see the wildcard domain name again. Subject. This is it. Yeah, you see, this isn't wildcard. That's why it's not working. So I need to make it work for wildcards, which means this one also is not going to work for wildcards. Let's do this. Oh, fuck. Wait. Actually, you can just check it. Come on, Chrome. What's wrong with you? Why can't I... That thing won't pop up now. It's broken. Unless it's because this one's open. I think it might be because that one's broken. Oh, open. Nope. Still broken. What the hell, Chrome? There. No, not issuer. Subject. Yeah, this isn't going to work for wildcards. To confirm this, I actually do have a subdomain for this. Ah, you see, it doesn't work. I don't remember having to say star dot whatever. Wait. Issue DNS domain name. That's what you specify, and then there they do W. So I wonder if I just replace one of those with a wildcard character, if it would be allowed. Let's try it. Star dot. I wouldn't be surprised if it shits itself and tell me I can't do that. But I'm pretty sure I did it without the wildcard before as well. But it's been so long I can't remember. I set this shit up years ago and never had to touch it until I broke it. And the worst thing is I didn't know how I broke it, so I reinstalled everything. And it turns out, after I figured out how I broke it, it was too late. Okay, this process takes a while. But yeah, I was still busy on the website as well, changing some of this stuff. So I changed the namespace on some of the things. We deleted that additional thing we didn't need. Why is that one giving me an error? Oh, because view imports would now have to have that replaced. There we go. There we go. Okay, so also going to clean up error because a lot of this shit. Actually, no, leave this as is. That's fine. Move everything from the body except that, and then can leave all of this. Or no, wait. So they got Bootstrap, but I am going to do my own Bootstrap because I'm going to compile it into Sus. jQuery can remain. Bootstrap over here. Rip that out. How far is this thing? Probably done. It's still removing stuff. Error? Why am I getting a freaking error? Didn't time out. It gave me the same thing from earlier. Did the previous one give me that error when I renewed it? Where is text? Here. Something about value too large. Nope, this one did not give me that error. Did I do the command wrong again? Unless it's that star. Maybe it doesn't like the wildcard. I think I might have accidentally run the one with the Nginx command, which would have caused shit. Damn bots. Ban his ass. Okay, so we've ripped out all the junky HTML for now. We can leave everything else. Oh yes, and then we want to clean up the libraries. So getting rid of jQuery and all jQuery validation related stuff. We're only keeping... What? Your mother's access is denied. There we go. Also get rid of the favor icon. Bootstrap. I guess we keep everything. It's fine. Is that site.css here? Yes, it is. Okay. And it's got a pen version included already, which is good because that helps us with caching. So now let's see. First step. So the index page, if we run this, we're just going to see text saying index. We want to clean up our CSS. We don't want any of the existing styles. Same with the JS. Don't want nonsense. What's this? That's just Bootstrap. I think that's it. Now I should get a white page just saying index, I believe. This thing's done. Okay, I'll copy those over now. But see, now it has an actual star in the name, which is not how it used to be. I'm pretty sure it never used to be that way. Interesting. Is this thing running now? Yeah, it is. Where did it open? Where did that window open now? It would have opened in a new window, wouldn't it? With Chrome. Eh? I don't see a new window. This isn't it? No. What? Now I'm confused. Stop. There, now it opened up. Okay, yeah, so white page that just says index, so that's what we were expecting, so that's good. But now I want to sort this out first. This. I don't know if these certificates are going to work. I'm scared I issue them and then they don't work. Well, now I can remember the previous commands I did. Unless it's not the commands. Maybe it is this Acme client that was changed and now it doesn't work the same way anymore. But out of curiosity, I want to check what exists in that directory. So it's www.root/certificate/elite digital. See, it doesn't have star in the name. And none of them has stars in their names. I'm going to give it a try anyway. So we're going to use that same copy command again. So the name just now has a star dot in front of it, that's all. Well, the destination is the same. The source is what's changed. Star dot. And this one, the key. Ah, now it's broken. Yeah, you see, the domain's not right. Which ones haven't I renewed yet? Oh, but they all redirect to the same spot. That's a problem. How can I trick this thing? Let's do the following. Let's go edit the Nginx file for Elite Digital. Sites available. This here, and then we're going to make it so it points to a different certificate. Excuse me, one that I haven't overwritten yet. So everything, that one redirects to HTTPS. This one handles all subdomains. There's an explicit subdomain, this one here, dev.elitedigital. So I'm going to override only this one subdomain. So the certificate name won't match naturally, but this certificate should have no issues because it's old and it hasn't been renewed with the new broken things yet. I think that is it. So naturally we're going to get a certificate error, but now it should say CloudBus. Yes. Now I want to look at, was it subject? Yes, but the subject doesn't have subdomains. Oh man. I'm pretty sure it used to show you the subdomains as well. Hmm. This is interesting. I mean, it tells me that the Elite Digital one should work, but for some reason, on the subdomain, it does not. Why? Maybe we should change our Google, because the one we Googled might not. Oh yes, wildcard. See, it takes me to the same page, but I want to do wildcards. Let's just remove Cloudiness for now. Pretty sure Acme SH would be able to do that. I'm hoping to find documentation on their GitHub. Is it this one maybe? No, that's Symbo. I don't know what Symbo is. From Let's Encrypt via Acme. The reverse proxy can't fix this problem. So no, you need a specific certificate. I just can't remember. Let me check something quick. If I go to like some random website, a well-known website, and I look at their certificate, because I don't know if it's my certificates that are bad now or whether Chrome just isn't showing you whether it supports wildcards or not. Let's take a look at another certificate. Now you see it does, but it shows certificate subject alternative names. Certificate subject alternative names. So if we go certificate details, certificate subject alternate names. I don't see it here. There. Aha, so it does work. So that's on this one. Okay, so we know this one works. Now we are going to change it back. Where did I fuck it up now? This one here. I think I can probably just copy a whole line. Okay, so that should fix that. And then we just restart Nginx again, and this might not break anymore. Well, yeah, there it works. What the fuck? It didn't work like minutes ago. Why not? I don't get it. Cosmic rays. The universe wants to punish me for some reason. Alternative names. Oh, but hold on. This was the one that I actually fucked up. That's why it's working here. It's not going to work on the root domain. Let's check. I think I just messed it up like that. Yeah, no, it doesn't work on root. Okay, fine. I'm going to have to recopy that one. That's the full chain. And this one, the key. Then I'm just going to restart Nginx again. I'm not sure if it's necessary, but I do it anyway. There we go, certificate fixed. But now let's see if this one shows us alternate names. Did I scroll past it? Yeah, there. Yeah, you see, this one doesn't have wildcard. Why does it not have wildcard? Maybe I need to do it for both domains. Let's give that a try. Where's the Acme command? Did I go past it? I might have. This is the one. I wonder if it throws them in the same folder. So I'm going to do the star.elite here. Digital.0za, and then change this one to the main in case there's a order of execution. So it does this one first. Domains have changed. I don't know if that's going to fix our problem. Hopefully, multi-domain. Hopefully that does fix our problem. Quickly gonna make coffee. Oh shit, wait. Isn't it a bit late for coffee? Yeah, it's fucking late. Okay, well, I'm still gonna be up for a bit, so yeah, 1 cup wouldn't hurt. Okay. Did it succeed? You see, put everything in the Elite Digital folder. So in theory, if I just repeat the copy commands and restart Nginx, it's just these two, right? So that was a key. And then we're doing the full chain. Restart Nginx again. Let's test this shit. Connection secure, certificate issued. Yada, yada, yada. Alternative names. There we go. Now it's working. This is exactly what I wanted. So that's where I fucked up. But the problem is I still have to do it manually. Why do I have to do this manually? I wonder if I should add the Nginx command back. Let's see what that does. Hopefully helps something. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end stream soon. Wait, did I do something wrong? But I'm confused. If you want to force it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to force because it's seeing that the certificate is new, not doing it again, but I want to try the Nginx route to see if it actually fixes Nginx now. That's what I'm trying to see. So we're gonna run it again and force it. I want to skip the song. I got an error again. Cannot get domain token entry for supported validation types or whatever, but you specified HTTP one. What is that? That's new. There's not an order of parameters, is there? Putting Nginx before DNS, because previously I never got that error. Now I don't know if it's related to having multiple domains. It could be that, but I don't know. Let's try run it with the order reversed. It didn't get that far previously, did it? No, so it looks like there is actually an order to it. Huh. Interesting. Can actually validate that record. It exists, yes. Reloading Nginx. Okay, but it's still busy with the CA. So this is normally, it fails after that part. But, yeah, there's the error. I wonder if the issue is maybe just Nginx. Maybe it's struggling with Nginx, but the file, no, but I did check it previously. I did actually check the file renewal, but what we're going to do... Wait, how can I test this? A domain I haven't done this with yet. Yeah, so what I want to do is renew the certificates and then manually restart Nginx. Or do it with Nginx for a different domain and then manually restart Nginx to see if it actually did it. But I doubt that's going to work, come to think of it, because I think I actually checked the files earlier. But we'll see. Okay, oh, and remove Nginx. No? Do it with Nginx, but then look whether it renews the files. Because I think it might be failing on Nginx part. So it failed. Or was that the previous error? No, that was the previous error. This one's still busy. Come on, hurry up. Let's think, how do we start here? Okay, so I installed both those extensions. I assume they installed. Cancel install. So I assume that implies it's not installed. Am I wrong? How do you actually do the install? That's the only one that is installed. So yeah, these aren't installed. Why not? I did a restart Visual Studio, did I not? Wait, let's save all and restart just to make sure. I think it might actually be that. Yeah, there we go. So it had it downloaded, just needed to install it. Seems like the CA went through. There's that error again. Okay. So while that's busy, I want to check if it updated the file. So we're going to look at minus full dash time slash wroot slash cert slash cloudbiz 2024-08. So yeah, that's old. Okay, so now there's a different directory. If we go slash root slash dot acme, isn't it? Yeah, acme sh. I think it's this. That's today. So you see, it updates. Oh wait, wrong folder, my bad. No, that's not today. One of them is 29th. That's today. Technically, the new day is rolled over, but which file is it? The backup. This backup that's today. I know, but some of the other files are today as well. Look at that. Sorry, I saw those two and it confused me. But these ones, interestingly enough, those are the ones we need that are outdated. So this, yeah, this didn't, unless, no man, this is confusing. Those are the only new ones. Full chain is old, so no, this never updated. Interesting. So you have to run it without the nginx command and manually copy it over. Unless I change the nginx command, maybe that's it. Maybe I'm just I gotta go read my Acme documentation to check. I got a wiki, right? What are we looking for? The nginx. Issue dd. Hold up. So his installation is an install command. I don't know if you've got that. But what I want is one via the Acme client, hopefully. So he's using acme.sh. No nginx command. I wonder if that command's not just broken. Hmm? It's probably not going to have that endings command. This one does. So does this one. See, he doesn't have the cloud DNS, fair enough, but you probably have to specify that for it to work. Hold on. See, if you do that, normally it means the command needs to be included, but it's not showing up in all the results, or as far as I can see, it is not. Come on, why is the page not loading? Oh, but anyway, what I actually wanted to test at the end of the day was what happens when I do this. So this should now redirect me to Elite Digital without error, but now it has error. Why does it have error? Hide advanced. Common name invalid. Didn't I tell it to redirect? No, I did not. I made a boo-boo because all of them redirect to another one. So let's actually look at the config quick. Not slash etc. Oops. Slash etc. Nginx, then sites available. Some of this one. So it's got it in, it's non-SSL redirect, it's SSL. Includes its own certificates, but then proxy passes to application. Oh, so that's what I'm missing, just this. So last entry. Oh, that's Citadel. Okay, so we don't need that. We pretty much just need this. How do I copy this now? Let's start with .com. Oh shit, I needed to... Did I copy the whole? This one. Server. So I need this whole server. Yes, server block. But then I need to remove that one, right? This one doesn't have a return. Instead, it's replaced by location. So that's where actual proxying happens. Domains don't need to change. Oh, the one I've got at the bottom was the wrong domain name. So yeah, that's going to have to change. .com. So you're going to get rid of all of this. Oh, wait. There's useful stuff in there. Let's actually copy this one. It's easier to fix on Notepad than it is inside that. We copy. all 4 of those lines. No, we don't need the return. Sorry. Include SSL cert. Those ones. Wait, server name as well, right? Sorry. Include, we don't need that. All point to the same. Include. So just those. Oops. Double server name. So we copy this block. I think Control K. Yeah, like this. Cut everything out. There's our server blocks. But hold on, this one also needs to go now, right? Yeah. And I think this one. No. I'm confused. Hold on. So it points to the same application, but it handles those two. That's the default it always redirects to, because that's if you either give it an empty request. I'm confused. But I think it should work though. Huh. Let's find out. We don't have to force. Don't need the Nginx flag. That's all we need. And then we'll copy manually. Because yeah, the Nginx flag is broken. See, none of them that I found so far used it in conjunction with a cloud DNS tag. What if I modify my Google? Oh. To also include that phrase. Where is it? This phrase. No, I did not mean something else, Google. You see now, he doesn't have the Nginx flag. Nginx flag doesn't exist on this result either. Does it even exist on this page? No. What's the point of including it here if Google doesn't freaking respect it? Stupid Google. God damn. Yo. Choked on coffee after I've taken a sip, after I've swallowed it already. But yeah, we had an error again. Same error as previously. Something about the file too large. Wait, I didn't do DNS and Nginx combined, did I? No. I just did DNS. Normally that alone is good enough. Why? Why? This thing almost never works. It was able to check the challenge. It did succeed. Oh no, that's where it failed actually. God damn. Maybe it's just like a freak fail. Let's try again. Just out of curiosity. Fucking love this song. Oh, does my overlay even show? I don't think so. I removed it from my OBS overlay, right? Yeah, music thing. Figured it's too many UI elements. Can actually add it back, but no. I'm not gonna bother with that. Oh, there's some it worked. So you see, it's sometimes it fails for no reason. But not with the Nginx flag. No, I think that's a different error altogether. But this one worked now. So now, in theory, so I would want to now publish this empty application. Where'd my Visual Studio go? Did I close it? Oh yeah, I did because I was installing extensions. Let's reopen it. Yeah, I got it in stream. It's bedtime. My body's telling me I'm tired now. Oh. I'm waiting for the window to open on the left screen, but there it is. Okay, so now I've got our extensions. Next steps would be to install. Wait, what did we remove just now? We removed jQuery. So we're going to install jQuery manually. We should actually remove Bootstrap and do the same. No. Yes, we are going to install it manually because what we do, we use the Sus files then. And then we use Web Compiler for SCSS compilation into CSS and or transpilation, if you want to call it that. But yeah, so then I instead of writing CSS, I write Sus, and my JS files are also minified and shit like that. So that's why I installed those two Visual Studio extensions. But for now, I'm done. I'm gonna call it a night. It's pretty late already. So let's see. We're done with this. I think for now we're gonna copy it over. Did we make directories for that? Let's check. No, I didn't make that one yet. Under search. I didn't make it yet. Nah. Okay, I'll do that tomorrow. Cool. I'm gonna end stream.